The AI revolution is here, guys. So I'm showing you right now Cursor AI, and this tool helps someone code whatever you want to with very little coding knowledge that is needed. To give you a little background of myself, the only coding that I know is through Python, and I'm as advanced as just putting F strings together. That's like as good as I get. So for those of you that have very minimal knowledge, this is absolutely outstanding of a tool to use. I've been leveraging ChatGPT and going back and forth, and it just gets very messy, very clunky, really quickly. And I'm trying to right now code text-based type games on books and being able to play games, through books to help people learn better and more efficiently. I was like, how the hell do I do this with very little coding knowledge? And so let's go ahead and get started with this. I actually found this out through another YouTube video from someone that has a coding background, and it has helped out immensely. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see here, I have a couple of chats. I just tested things out briefly, but this is a very cool tool. So as you can see here, I do have Python installed. Again, that's the only language that I know with very, very minimal knowledge. So let's go ahead and get started and let's prompt it. So you can see too, right now it's using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So you could click this and you could choose different ones as well too. So I'm currently on the free version. There are different versions that are available for Cursor AI. Right now I'm just testing the waters to see if it's something that I could actually use. So let me go ahead and hover over so you could see I've been coding or using ChatGPT to help with coding in terms of certain games. So as you can see, this is based off of the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. It's like, okay, great. Well, let me see if I'm able to do that with this. So let's go here. Let's start prompting it. Okay, let's do this actually. Let's code a simple text-based game similar. I think the one is Dragon's Lair, which is a very old school game if you guys haven't heard of it. Actually, let's do this. Actually, let's do this first. So as you can see, you really want to try to be precise with your prompting. There's so many iterations that you're going to have to do with this, I'm sure. So let's see here, using Pygame and Python. Let's do this. Please let me know you understand and I will provide further instructions. So I want to do like one small prompt at a time. I don't want to start coding a bunch of stuff right off the bat. But as you can see here, it's setting up. So it's importing Pygame, the system, to what I understand. I don't even know what that means. So to give you an idea, really very minimal knowledge when it comes to programming. See, it has the width, the height, has the display. Great. Okay, perfect. I'm going to list out. Let's do this actually. Okay, perfect. My game has 10 questions. Would it be helpful to let you know the questions and the answer to further code this game? Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and pull this back up. So let's go to some of my questions. Actually, this may be the wrong prompt that I have. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, great. This should be my prompt. So as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff coded already. Oh, this is better. Are the answers here? I need the answers. I wonder if it'd be helpful if I shared it the code. Okay, all of these are the answer A, so that's fine. So I'll just do that. This is for a test run too. I'm gonna have to, I'm curious because I have a bunch of REPLs I could probably share with it. I wonder if it could handle that. Let's just copy this. Here. And this is a thing too when it comes to prompting. I just don't know if it can handle this much information. It may have to be split up. So May just be too much information, does it? Yeah, we'll see. I'm curious. Wow. I'm really surprised it's doing this so far. So as the questions and answers, I'm just gonna copy this. Let's apply it. Accept. So this is the cool thing. I could copy it. I could accept it or apply it, and then just accept it right here, and then boom, it's right there. Let's see if we're able to run it right now. So let's run it in the terminal. Oh, this is so. Oh wow. Let's do A. Let's see if it does B. Okay, so it's just stuck on this question. Oh no, okay, so it moved forward. Wow. If old memories still make you cry, write them down carefully and completely. Scenario: you're carrying emotional baggage from unresolved past experiences that you haven't fully processed. These memories resurface often, causing distress. How do you approach them? Wow, so this is based off, I think, Jordan Peterson's book. It's either Beyond Order or 12 Rules for Life. Let's just say carefully study them. Okay. Be grateful in spite of your suffering. Wow, and the cool thing is, if you have general knowledge with programming, you could adjust this accordingly. So you could, like for example, you could make this text look just a little bit cleaner. Just add like a little bit more white space. You could add certain backgrounds. You could change the color. You could have music involved. If you answer it correctly, a video could pop up. Whatever it may be, I with minimal coding knowledge, you could code something like this. And this, again, simple text based game. You'll see videos from me in the future in terms of how you're able to get a lot more creative. But again, if you have very little coding knowledge like me, I did no coding whatsoever. I did none. All I did was prompt it, copy and paste it. I ran it in the terminal, and this is what spits out. Absolutely amazing. So hopefully you guys, got something out of this. If you have no coding background, absolutely play around with ChatGPT, play around with Cursor AI. There's so many cool things you could do with this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.